fundamental of food enterprise. Refer to the basic principle of starting and managing a food-related business. It includes understanding market demand, sourcing raw materials, ensuring food safety, managing costs, and creating effective marketing strategies to meet customer needs while maintaining profitability.
Learn the steps to establish food business conduct through the market research. We have 8 key steps in deal. First, we have the concept market research. It has identify your needs, market analysis, and feasibility study. And second, we have the business planning. We have there the develop a business plan, financial planning, and legal considerations. The third is license and permits. We have the health department permits, business license, food safety certification. And number 4, we have the location and setup, site selection, kitchen design, equipment sourcing. And number 5, we have the menu development. It covers the menu creation, ingredient sourcing, and cost analysis. And number 6, we have the staffing and training. We put here the hiring process and staff training. And number 7, we have the marketing and branding. You identify your brand. You should have the brand identity and marketing strategy. So lastly, we have the launch and operation. We have the pre-opening task, or you can call it a small opening. And we have also the grand opening and the continuous improvement of the business.
Starting a food enterprise requires careful planning and attention to both legal and financial aspects. This analysis will explore key considerations for food business, encompassing legal compliance, financial management, and risk mitigation strategy. First, business structure. So, choose the right legal structure for your food enterprise. Next is licensing and permits. Food safety is crucial, requiring businesses to adhere to FDA, USDA, and state and local regulations, including labeling, meat, poultry, and egg products. Next is food safety regulations. Food safety regulations are enforced by the FDA, USDA, and state and local authorized to ensure the safety of food products. Next is labeling requirements. Food labels must adhere to federal and state regulations, including a descending ingredient list, clearly identifying major allergens, and including the manufacturer or packer's name and address. Next is intellectual property protection. Protect your brand and recipes by registering your brand name. Next is contract and agreements. So ensure you have your clear contracts with your suppliers, customers, and employees to protect your interests. And lastly, data privacy. If your business collects customer data, ensure compliance with data privacy laws.
Operational challenges in food business. The food industry, encompassing restaurant, grocery stores, and food services program, face numerous operational challenges that impact profitability, customer satisfaction, and overall success. These challenges are often multifaceted and require strategic planning, technological solution, and focus on operational excellence to overcome. Common operational challenges: first, staffing shortage and turnover, inventory management, menu pricing and planning, food costing fluctuation, compliance with regulation, customer expectation and reference, technology adoption, maintaining online reputation. Business model in the food industry, a diverse landscape. The food industry is a dynamic and diverse landscape with numerous business models catering involving customer needs and preference, from the convenience of delivery services to sustainability of food waste reduction initiatives. These diverse models offer opportunities for entrepreneurship to innovate, create value, and contribute to a more sustainable and equitable food system. Common models: first, food truck, ghost kitchen, cloud kitchen, virtual kitchen, rented shared commercial kitchen, micro bakeries, cottage bakeries, home kitchen operation, farmers market, subscription boxes, food delivery services, meal prep services. Steps to starting a food business. First is research and concept development. We have identified target market and niche, analyze competitors and trends. Number two, business plan. Define goals, strategies, and financials. Outline operational plans. Third, legal and licensing. Choose a legal structure. Obtain necessary food safety and business permits. Fourth, locations and equipment. Secure a physical locations. Purchase necessary kitchens and storage equipment. Fifth is supplier and inventory. Establish reliable suppliers relationship. Manage inventory for consistent supply. Six is branding and marketing. Develop brand identity. Create a marketing strategy. 7. Financial management. Set up accounting and bookkeeping. Plan for funding and taxes. And lastly is launch. Execute the launch plan. Gather customers' feedback and adjust operations. Considerations. First is business structure. Choose between sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporations. Impact, liability, control, and taxes. Second, license and permit. Obtain food, handling, health, and safety permit. Comply with local food regulations. Third, food safety compliance. Follow HACCP sanitations and labeling requirements. Fourth, insurance. Secure liability insurance and coverage of risk. Fifth is intellectual property. Protect recipes, trademarks, and branding. Here's the financial considerations. First, startup cost. Estimate expenses for requirement, inventory, and permit. Second, funding sources. Considers loan, investors, or personal funds. Third, pricing strategy. Set prices, covering costs, and ensuring profitability. Fourth, cash flow management. Ensure steady cash flow to manage operational expenses. And fifth is tax planning. Understand and plan for taxes.
Supply chain management in food enterprises refers to the planning, coordination, and management of activities involved in producing, processing, distributing, and delivering food product to consumer efficiently and sustainably. It includes procurement, inventory, logistics, and ensuring food safety and quality at every stage. Operational challenges in food businesses. First is maintaining food safety and compliance with regulation. Next is managing inventory to reduce waste and avoid shortages. Next is ensuring consistent product quality. Next is addressing supply chain disruption. Next is handling labor shortages and training staff efficiently. Next is balancing cost control with profitability. Last is adapting to consumer preferences and market trends.